Alright, and in this example, we're dealing with set operations. Specifically, we're dealing with intersection of sets, union of sets, and the complement. So here's our given example. U, the universal set, is Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Set A is Q, S, U, W, and Y. Set B is Q, S, Y, Z. And set C is V, W, X, Y, Z. We're asked to find B prime intersection C, and that entire quantity, we would like to find the complement of it. And then after such, we union it with set A. So again, we're told to find that quantity of B prime intersection C, that complement of that quantity, and then union it with A. So the first step for us is going to be to go ahead and just find the complement of B, because you see here we have B prime. So the complement of B will be B prime. So B is Q, S, Y, and Z. So B prime is everything else in the universal set. So B prime has to be R, S, T, U, V, W, and X. Right? It's everything that's not in B, however, everything else is in the universal set. So that would be our B prime. And actually, make sure you double check, because actually we don't have that S in B prime because it's in B. So we should have R, T, U, V, W, X. Alright, and now we're looking at C. Well, C is just whatever it's given. That's V, W, X, Y, Z. And what are we told to do? We're told to find the intersection. So we're taking these two and finding the intersection of B prime and C. So intersection is just where they overlap, what they have in common. So to me it looks like what they have in common would be V, W, and X, right? So that's the intersection. So the intersection of B prime C is V, W, and X. So this is B prime intersection C right there. It looks like it's asking us now to take the complement of that entire quantity. So we found B prime intersection C, but now we need to take the complement of it. Well, currently it's VWX. So we need to think that the complement of this set that includes VWX has to be everything else in the universal set. Everything else in the universal set. So everything else is going to be Q, R, S, T, U, not V and not W, but Y and Z, right? Because we're taking the complement, so the complement is everything else that's in the universal set. Alright, so the next thing we have to do, we've found the complement of that quantity. It tells us to find the union of that quantity with set A. So it's saying take this and union it with set A. Union it with set A. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, first we need to know set A is, and I could just scroll up, but I'll just write it down here. Q, S, U, W, and Y. Well, what does union mean? Union means we put them all together. The elements in both sets are what we're looking for. So, in putting them all together and unioning it with set A, we get Q, R, S, T, U, W, Y, and Z. And this is what we have for our solution for the set operation of the quantity of B prime intersection C, and that entire quantity we take the complement of and then union it with set A.